Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix blur login problems, wallet and network errors step by step clearly.
Begin by checking your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for smooth login operations. Disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data if needed. Next, restart the device you are using to access the wallet. This can help refresh the app and clear temporary glitches. After restarting, open the wallet application again. If the app still shows a blur login problem, clear the app's cache. For Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps. Find the Wallet app and select Storage. Tap on Clear Cache and confirm your selection. For iOS devices, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you are running the latest version without corrupted files. Next, check for any app updates in your device's App Store. Updating the Wallet app can fix bugs and enhance performance. If the issue persists, verify the wallet server status online. Sometimes, server outages can cause login problems. Visit the official website or social media pages for announcements. If everything seems fine with the server, try resetting your password. Use the password recovery option in the app for guided steps. Once you've reset your password, log in again with the new credentials. If you're still experiencing issues, consider accessing the wallet via a different device. This helps determine if the problem lies with your original device. Lastly, contact customer support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the errors you are facing. They can offer tailored solutions to help resolve your login issues. Follow these steps to effectively address blur login problems in your wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.